Yan. Dito po si Sir Bong Duterte.
As usual,
Sir, kamusta sir?
as usual, it is okay. Yan lang.
Maraming salamat sir ha. Mabuhay po kayo.
Tante, okay si Ate Libre.
Sir, marami kasi nagtatanong kung nasa Japan na ba daw si PRRD. Sabi nila, saan ba talaga si PRRD? Sa loob ng ICC o nasa Japan na siya sir?
Well, I'm here, so
Correct.
I don't need to tell you where
Ang talent.
speculation.
Mm.
So the best lang talaga yan to para hindi tayo mahulog sa fake news or what. Just wait for the official statement
From the family.
ni Bob.
Correct.
Any of the family.
Correct.
It could be VP Sara, it could be Congressman Polo.
Oh.
Pero mas maganda manggaling sa kanila
Correct.
because, you know,
Exactly.
that's the official.
Or the defense lawyer, the lead defense counsel, Attorney Nicholas Kaufman.
Ano yun?
Or si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Tony Kaufman. I met him yesterday. Pero just, passing lang.
Passing lang. Ah, okay.
Nakala ko, kasi when I saw him sa mga live,
Oh.
pangkad nito. Kung nakita ko, maliit pala. Maliit lang pala.
Totoo. Tinood mo ito, sir.
Tapos parang hindi abogado, kaya parang yung pangloob niya, pang jogger lang yan.
Sir, ganito kasi dito, sir. Comfortable. Nakabike lang talaga, ma'am, dito. Kahit yung Prime Minister dito, nagbike lang papuntang office. Oo. Correct.
Oo.
Nasa nakabike lang.
Oo, yung director ng
Normal dito, ma'am.
siya ng director ngayon.
Oo. Siya yung dating Prime Minister, pero ngayon, director na siya ng NATO. Oo. So,
Wala pang asawa. Ginawa tayo.
so sir, maraming salamat, sir, ha?
Oh,
Thank you, sir.